We're staying with the 2025 Unified Tertiary and Matriculation Examination, where the Registrar of the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, Professor Ishaq Oloyede, has admitted that a significant technical error affected the outcome of the 2025 UTME results. Professor Oloyede, at a media briefing in Abuja on Wednesday, said that JAMB undertook an early review of the examination after widespread complaints and uncovered how a major technical error compromised 379,997 results across 157 exam centers. He said the affected candidates will have the opportunity to retake the examination between May 16 and May 19, 2025. Professor Oloyede fought back tears as he apologized to those affected. 379,997 candidates in Lagos and the Southeast states will now have to rewrite the exam.
The 2025 UTME that could have been our finest yet, were it not for the carelessness, negligence, and lack of concern exhibited by the agent entrusted with this crucial yet straightforward function. Immediately we realized this, we summoned the chief external examiners of Lagos, Imo, Anambra, Oyo, Abia, and Ebonyi, the 6 states affected. I'm happy they are with us. Fortunately, they all swiftly responded to join the group. We also invited Professor Bashir Galadanshi, a leading expert in computer science, to join the already people who are there, the National Association of Proprietors of Private Schools, because many of the schools complaining seriously are schools from private school, and we didn't want to do anything that somebody will say, oh, they do something, we open our door widely. Despite being able to identify the source of the problem and the affected centers, we are conscious of the painful damage it has inflicted on the reputation of JAMB. As Registrar of JAMB, I hold myself personally responsible including for the negligence of the service provider and I unreservedly apologize for it. The only consolation we have in this case, it is that it is just one of our 2 service providers that did not do well by uploading improperly. But it was not a case of glitches nor sabotage. There were technical errors. We discovered, we created what the patch, but one of our 2 service providers did not do well.